Imagine standing on a coastline as a wall of water the height of a skyscraper races toward the shore. Entire cities lie directly in its path. Yet instead of fleeing, engineers have built something so enormous that it dares to challenge the power of the ocean itself. Or is this one engineering dream that nature will always defeat? For thousands of years, civilizations have settled along coastlines, relying on ports, fisheries, tourism, and trade. But these same coastlines face an increasing threat. Around the world, engineers are already building sea barriers. Yet as climate challenges grow, a continuous megawall stretching for hundreds of miles. This isn't simply about concrete and steel. It is about protecting millions of lives, preserving economies, and reshaping the relationship between civilization and the sea. Building a wall across an open coastline may sound simple, but the ocean is one of the most powerful forces on Earth. Every day, waves deliver enormous amounts of energy against the shore.
During hurricanes, storm surges can raise water levels by several meters. Massive waves slam into anything standing in their path.
Engineers must design structures capable of surviving impacts that repeat thousands of times over decades. The foundation presents another challenge. Much of the seabed consists of soft sediments rather than solid rock. Before construction can even begin, engineers would need to stabilize the ground using deep piles, reinforced concrete foundations. Salt water relentlessly attacks steel, concrete, and mechanical systems. Every component must be designed to resist decades of exposure, while remaining safe and reliable. And the wall cannot simply block the sea. Rivers must continue flowing into the ocean.
Marine ecosystems need water circulation to survive. The design must include giant navigation locks, monitoring systems that work together without disrupting nature or global trade.
Modern technology makes this vision more achievable than ever. Artificial intelligence could monitor structural health in real time, detecting tiny cracks before they become dangerous.
Autonomous underwater robots could inspect foundations continuously, while drones survey hundreds of miles of coastline within hours.
Construction itself would be one of the largest engineering operations in history. Massive offshore platforms, floating cranes, would operate around the clock. Huge precast concrete sections weighing thousands of tons could be manufactured off-site and transported by sea before being precisely installed using GPS-guided positioning systems. To withstand the strongest storms, the wall would incorporate curved wave-deflecting surfaces that redirect wave energy upward instead of absorbing its full force. Advanced composite materials and corrosion-resistant steel alloys would dramatically extend its lifespan while reducing maintenance costs.
Sustainability would also become part of the design.
Integrated solar panels, offshore wind turbines, and tidal energy generators could transform the megawall into a clean energy corridor, producing electricity while protecting coastal communities.
Green terraces and artificial reefs could provide habitats for marine life, helping restore ecosystems, rather than destroying them.
The economic impact would be enormous.
Although construction could cost hundreds of billions of dollars,
We must analyze every detail of this coast. The budget requires complete precision.
The long-term savings from preventing catastrophic flood damage, protecting infrastructure, and securing coastal industries could far exceed the initial investment.
Perhaps the greatest challenge is not engineering, but international cooperation. Oceans do not recognize political borders. A project of this scale would require governments, scientists, engineers, environmental experts, and industries to work together over many decades. Imagine looking out across the horizon and seeing an elegant engineering masterpiece, stretching farther than the eye can see. Beyond protecting cities, this megawall could become a symbol of humanity's ability to adapt, innovate, and overcome challenges once thought impossible.
Whether such a project is ever built remains uncertain.
But every great engineering achievement, from massive suspension bridges to underwater tunnels and artificial islands, was once dismissed as impossible. The question is no longer whether humans can imagine a megawall capable of stopping the ocean. The real question is whether we will choose to build it before nature forces us to.